So here's the deal. 7 months ago, I finished all my college courses and officially graduated from the University of California, Davis. Since then, a lot has changed. I had probably my favorite internship cut short due to COVID-19, and that's definitely a bummer, but I'm super thankful to have had the opportunity to work with the Sacramento Kings. Since then, I've basically just been in my apartment looking for work, new and fun projects to try out, and just find new ways to be creative. Probably the most challenging thing that I'm facing currently as a freelancer and as a creator is just finding work during a global pandemic. And I'm still working on that, but at least I'm keeping myself occupied. A month ago, I packed up everything that I own and said goodbye to the cows, said goodbye to Davis, and moved back home to San Francisco. Right now I'm back in my childhood bedroom, but I'm slowly moving things into my new apartment. There are a few things that I need to get done before I can officially move in. First, I have to unpack, then I have to fix the sink, switch out the lights, change all the outlets, stock up the place. You gotta have a Costco run in there somewhere. And I really just want to clean up the place and spruce it up, make it feel a little bit more like home. Welcome to the office. I have so much stuff. Dongle acquired. Now we're set up so that you can hear my voice no matter where I go. Can you hear me now? Of course you can. How about now? I bet you can. I don't know where to start. See, I have a shelf that contains all my camera stuff, but the shelf isn't here. All my camera stuff is.
It's too big.
This one hit, right?
No, it's the white part.
We have light.
See this? Notice this thing?
I have this window. I don't know what it's for, but at least it's mine.
Yes, this is only 45 watts.
Check out this little succulent I got. It's fake.
What is happening?
Why are you laying on the floor like that? Let me know which one you like better. White, gray.
Why are you keeping that brown piece of paper there?
It's a nice aesthetic. I don't have my own cork board or whiteboard, so I use a piece of paper, add some Post-its to it. It's my own to-do list. See, look, you take a Post-it note, you write your to-do, and then slap it on. And I have it color-coded so that each one represents something different. We also got this
What is that?
thing. I don't know, but it's decorative and it's gold. Don't know what it is, but I like it. All right, we're here for a little Q&A with Alexis, my cousin, who's been behind the camera today. Are you gonna visit me often?
I want to.
If you have to hesitate on that answer, I don't know if I should trust you.
Okay. Explanation. I have school.
And ballet and a bunch of other extracurricular activities. But one of your extracurricular activities
Is
should
hanging
be
out with you.
hanging out with me.
Yeah.
We've been FaceTiming every day for 100 days. Since April 19th, 2020. Today is September 15th, 2020. It's been a long time.
5 months?
Happy 5-month anniversary. Anyways, she's been helping me set up some things in my apartment. Thank you very much. What are your thoughts on the apartment so far?
Good.
Oh yeah, we're not sure if there's internet in here. Mom, say hi to the camera.
Hi.
That is my mother. All right, well, let's just get back into cleaning and setting up this apartment. So we're gonna come back tomorrow. I gotta buy some antibacterial spray for the shower. Clean that up a little bit and just organize things a little bit more. Wait for some furniture to get here. Coming together. Looks pretty cool. Keep you guys updated. But that's it for today's video. See you guys tomorrow.